Connecting your car to the world is the entire purpose behind Genesis Connected Services. It offers a suite of safety, guidance, and remote features to help save you time and keep you safe on the road. You can access them quickly via buttons on the rear view mirror. First is the Connected Services button. This is used to start and end a call with the Genesis Connected Services Center. The SOS button is used to start and end a call with emergency services. Only use this in an emergency. The Voice Local Search button is used to search for points of interest via Genesis Connected Services. To use Voice Local Search, you must first enable it. Press Setup, then go to Voice Recognition. Select Use Genesis Connected Services. Now, when you press the Voice Local Search button, you can search for specific points of interest and then navigate to them using the navigation system. Genesis Connected Services also allows you to send navigation destinations to your car via the online web portal. To retrieve these destinations and use them for guidance, go to Connected Services on the navigation screen, then Send to Car. You will then see destinations that have been sent to the vehicle via the web portal. Select the destination you wish to navigate to, then select Set as Destination. Genesis Connected Services requires satellite coverage for the system to function properly. You may not be able to access the system when driving in locations without satellite reception, such as a tunnel or in a covered garage. The Genesis Connected Services system offers many more benefits and features than mentioned here. To learn more, please consult your owner's manual or go to the Genesis Owners page at mygenesis.com.